All right, let's take a look at uploading a picture to LinkedIn. So I already have an existing account. Your account is also already existing. So what I want you to do is go to your account information. So I'm going to click on my name there. And to edit the picture areas as well as other information, I'm going to click on the little pencil icon to the right. And that'll allow me then to edit the photograph. So I'm going to click the edit pencil then to the photograph. And I can upload a new photograph. You did say that you were trying different types of photos. I'm just going to bring this up a little bit, which is good. Your photograph does have to be web enabled. So it can't be just any kind of photo. It has to be one that you can post on the web. And then also, as an aside for our class, your photograph has to be one that's professional in appearance, because we're trying to convince an employer to hire you. So I'm just going to choose any old photograph here and let that open. So not only do you have to check the file type of your photo, but then you'll also want to check the file size so that it's not taking, so it's not too big nor too small. And you should be able to get a draft of it there. Now what you're going to do is click apply. I actually don't want my photo to change to Madison College, so I'm going to exit out of this. But you should be able to click apply and have that then appear as your photo. If you need any help, just let me know. I'd be happy to meet you on campus or send further instructions.